What are we doing out here, Alec?
We are trying to project a cult-like image to our neighbors, and we do this by reviewing the 7 wastes of lean manufacturing in both Japanese and English.
I love it.
Tsukuri sugi no mura.
Overproduction. Yakko no mura.
Overprocessing. Temochi no mura.
Waiting time. Wasted motion.
Dosa no muda. Kimochi no muda.
Waiting time. Zaiko no mura. Excess inventory. Umpan no mura.
Umpa no muda. Transportation waste. Koryoto naoshi no muda.
Defects. Zaiko no mura.
Excess inventory. Overprocessing.
Kakko no mura.
All together now.
All together. All right, let's everybody get in front of me. I guess. Be closer. Get closer, Uriel.
Feels like a family photo.
Yeah. All right. Ready?
Tsukuri sugi no mura. Kakko no mura. Zaiko no mura. Furyo tenaoshi no mura. Umpa no mura. Dosa no mura. Temochi no mura. Tsukuri sugi no mura. Kakko no mura. Zaiko no mura. Tenaoshi no mura. Umpa no mura. Dosa no mura. Temochi no mura. Tsukuri sugi no mura. Kakko no mura. Zaiko no mura. Furyo tenaoshi no mura. Umpa no mura. Dosa no mura. Temochi no mura.
Ichi, ni, san,
Velocitech!
I kind of messed up in the second one there, but that's
That was my bad. That was me. I forgot defects.
Alright, well,
Better next time.
alright, well, the rules was not for you to take a lap for the case, but maybe we should do that from now on. If you mess up on this part, you should take a lap. Alright,
Next time. Like and subscribe.
yeah, exactly. Listen to Robin.